These are my young birds, mixed pigeons, all different types. I got here tipplers, racing pigeon, and high flyers. And I'm just training them how to eat bread, rice, so they can eat anything. Pigeon food, bread, rice. As you can see, a lot of bread here and rice is about, which they have already ate. So there's a spring pigeon which is moving his neck all the time. There's some up there, you know. This is a high flyer, long distance. You got a nice one here, very nice looking one, which is eating bread also. So there are a few pigeons here. There's some here drinking water. And this is called jogabin, baby. Jogabin. Here are my doves.
Jogabin is Bengali.
Doves.
What's the matter with it?
This is jogabin feeding his baby, 3 weeks old. This is one of the high flyer, sitting on the nest with 2 eggs. The girl pigeon. This is my tumbler. 2 babies beneath him. And these are my second lot of breeds, which is a mixture